I'm Dr. John O'Sarenman, the CEO of Integrated Revenue and Retention Business, introducing Integrated Reliability, Condition Monitoring and Maintenance of Equipment with Interactive Video Sales Letter, IVSL. If you're a digital marketing B2B sales business owner, entrepreneur, and startup struggling to acquire new high-ticket clients, sales, and products, it's now time to focus on integrated seller-buyer product system-assisted digital experiences, where the level of customer experience equals rep experience equals owner experience is also the level of product maximum value. This is the essence of integrated reliability, a level where optimum reliability of processes, parts, and equipment are determined. Hence, the book, Integrated Reliability, Condition Monitoring and the Maintenance of Equipment. This book will show you how integrated inheritance model and system can automate condition monitoring operations in processes, parts, grunt works, sales pipeline within the shortest possible time and cost with an autopilot sensor that runs 24/7 to eliminate 95% manual tasks and failures, so you can focus on closing business deals for higher revenue and retention activities. In fact, we guarantee you land 5 new high-ticket clients, 10x more sales, and a higher quality reliability condition of work operations in the next 30 days of apply the benefits of the book, or we refund 100% of your money. Are you interested? Click below now to buy the book that will 10x your business outcomes. If you want to learn more, then click the button below. If you are interested in learning more, then click below now to book a call with me to 10x your results and business outcomes. The benefits of Integrated Reliability book are as follows. 1. Integrated Reliability book is used to integrate and automate condition monitoring operations for the maintenance of processes, parts, and equipment in the different industries of the future. 2. The book highlights the design of technological inheritance coefficient sensor that is used to measure the effectiveness and efficiency of machines as well as track the real-time data for predicting and preventing potential failures of manufacturing processes, parts, and equipment. 3. Integrated reliability can now be used as a metric to determine the life cycle of materials parts equipment. 4. The book is also used for the design of integrated marketing and management system with the help of integrated reliability technology. 5. The book offers materials for training employees and establishing excellent manufacturing process part system business requirements management. 6. IT helps with material process part equipment system requirements management. 7. The book is used to improve the cost effectiveness of materials, processes, parts, and equipment. 8. Integrated Reliability book offers opportunity for legacy wealth and lead generation with integration strategy. We have come to the end of this video. Happy viewing and watching. Please, like, share, comment, buy, and review. Thank you.